Here's a quick overview of what products I started with, what sold well, what isn't selling, and what I'm currently focused on. I've changed product ideas a lot since 2017. It started with wedding decor and quickly switched to home goods. This is going to be a fairly quick-paced video, so feel free to ask questions in the comments below. Let's get started. When I first started, I thought I would be doing a lot of vinyl and wood decor. That quickly changed. However, my best-selling product to this date is a wall-safe vinyl decal, Fart Poop Pee. I did, however, put some vinyl on wood and made signs out of them. I tried to make them a little better than the stuff I saw on Etsy, so I rounded off the edges and whatnot. I moved on to jumbo Scrabble letters, and I found the best sellers were pre-made words rather than having the customer buy them individually. In a pursuit to try new things, I got away from the vinyl on wood, and I started doing the inverse. I'd put the vinyl down, paint over it, and then take the vinyl off. And I made a lot of cool signs out of it. I think it looks a lot better. I wanted to move more into woodworking, and this is the first project I made. It's a super simple shelf made from a 1x6 board. It hangs with jute cord or white cotton and stained to a color of the customer's choice. Not wanting to completely abandon my vinyl cutter, I moved on to the framed white backed signs that are so popular on Etsy, and I used my vinyl decals as their matte finish and blend right in. Looks like they're painted on. Up until this point, I was using a chop saw to cut all my wood, and I finally invested in a rigid table saw. I made some jigs for it so I could cut straight edges, and this is because I finally found a guy on Facebook who was cleaning out his garage of all these hardwoods, and I wanted to start making cutting boards. This is the point where I stopped focusing on vinyl decals on wood signs and Scrabble letters, and I really focused on cutting boards and larger wood projects here on forward. I got super lucky with the guy who was selling me wood. He sold me black walnut, maple, hickory, H-cherry, padauk, and more. I made cutting boards with beveled edges and others with live edges, and these still sell well today. This is my personal cutting board. Look at those colors. After making several cutting boards, I wanted to expand my inventory with various products to see what sold. I made a toilet paper hanging shelf for the bathroom, a liquor bottle display shelf, and a minimalistic hanging shelf that looks really good in person. A fully finished product, what I call modern rustic. I made friends with a local brewery in town, and one day they sent me a message saying they had extra barrels left over from their brewing process. I wanted to try and turn one of them into a liquor cabinet, and this arguably became my best-selling product so far to date. My most watched YouTube video is how to convert your own barrel into a liquor cabinet. I am now mostly taking other people's barrels and converting them into cabinets, which gave me one extra barrel to play with that I owned, and I started making cool products out of it, just using the staves and various other things. I made a bottle cap opener out of a barrel stave. I like to keep the metal band attached, kind of make it my own style. Had a tea candle holder for your coffee table or centerpiece. Most recently, I started making Glencairn barrel stave serving trays out of the thicker pieces of the stave. Most recently, I started making the ring hook game, and it's easy to make, it's fun, and people enjoy playing it. I started leafing knot with wedding decor and vinyl decals stuck on stained wood signs. I no longer make any of those, except for custom requests. I'm expanding to selling charcuterie boards, cutting boards, and similar items into local small businesses around town, like a butcher shop, a liquor store, a cheese shop, etc. However, I'm really focused on barrel conversions, which took off through the word of mouth in the bourbon community. In the future, I want to make some cool epoxy river tables and polish up all variations of the products I currently make. I make, manage, film, and create everything you see on my own, including my website, leafandknot.com. I know this went quick, and I'll make more progress videos in the future and how-tos and whatnot, but that'll be coming soon. Thanks all.